Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's wonderful. So wonderful to see so many happy, enthusiastic people here. Now, first of all, I arranged great weather for you, did I not? We have arranged a great day for you. This induction ceremony, which to me is a highlight, always a year for us, and then a great dinner tonight. Now, as you probably know, that particularly this class, we missed it by COVID-19, and now finally we're getting you together. But we did last night the class of 2021, this afternoon class of 2022, and then we're going to have dinner for the two classes tonight at the tent. You may have to carry me out after all these events. But seriously, I think this is really exciting, and we are so glad that so many of the 100 members of this class of 2019 are here for the formal induction ceremony. And of course, there's a significant number also of family members, friends, and others, members who are joining us virtually. So it's so wonderful. You know, the Academy is made of people, and it's made of member and staff. And the only reason we exist is because of people like yourself. You're just amazing people who is accomplished, who's distinguished, but who cares about what we do, and who cares about our nation and globally. So for me, it's just so wonderful to see such distinguished individual elected to our membership. Just as an example, almost every year, just last week, one of our members got the Nobel Prize, as we have almost every year. Now our total number of Nobel laureates is 76. It's quite a number. But not everybody needs to be a Nobel laureate. If you think about the work that you do, particularly as you hear the elected members and their background, it's so impressive. I mean, we certainly strongly believe that it's not enough to be great in your career. It's going to be a lot more important that you actually use your talent to make a difference to the society and to our country and globally. So to the class of 2019, there are many people who are very proud of you. So first, I'd like to acknowledge the family members, the friends who are present today. Please stand. Does this feel like graduation? But seriously, I think you have every reason to be proud of your loved ones who's elected, and vice versa. It's a cliche, but everyone knows that they won't be here without you and your support. So it's greatly appreciated. But also, I'd like to recognize the nominators and sponsors of the new members who are here today. Please stand. So it's our privilege to introduce each of the extraordinary members of the class of 2019 and to present them with a certificate of membership. And our officers seated over there will assist me in reading names and a brief citation of the accomplishment of each and every one of them. So I would like to introduce my great colleagues, friends, and officers, starting with Elena Fontes-Affleck, who's in fact is the Home Secretary of the NAM. Next is Carlos de Rio, who is the International Secretary of the NAM. Next is Claire Brandis, who's the Vice Chair of the Council of National Academy of Medicine. And last but not the least, Mike McGuinness, who is the Linda Schaefer Executive Officer of the NAM. Now, they are elected. Certainly, they're all elected in some way, but they're representing you, and they serve a really important function. But today, they're going to read the citations, and I hope your names are not too complicated to read, so they can read it effectively. Okay, so here in the front of the auditorium, all the members are seated in alphabetical order. We learned that is the most efficient way of getting everybody up there. So as your name is being read, that's like graduation, as I said. And you're all seated in the front. And so it's wonderful. And as I said, some members are watching online, and we welcome you and thank you for being here. And you can follow the ceremony along with the in order new member brochure that you all have when you receive as you come in the auditorium. Okay, so one new rule. I'm fist bumping today. Now, so it feels really weird, and I would love to shake everybody's hand and even give you a hug. But I guess in the interest of your health, I would be shaking 100 people. You don't want to be 90 on my list when you come and shake my hand. So we're going to do a fist bump. So with that, let me just get started. Michael, are you the first one? Great.
Thank you, Victor, and thanks, congratulations, and good afternoon to the members of the NAM class of 2019. This is the long-awaited and long-delayed moment in which you honor us with the privilege of publicly calling out your election to the National Academy of Medicine. For me, and I know for each of my fellow officers, it is the most treasured moment of the year. So again, thank you for the opportunity. Edwin G. Abel. For pioneering work in defining the molecular mechanisms of long-term memory, storage, and identifying how these processes go awry in neurodevelopmental and psychiatric disorders. Congratulations and welcome. Denise R. Aberly. I jumped the gun a little bit there. We were told to keep things moving, otherwise she'll be sitting here all through the afternoon. But it really is every moment's a joy. Denise is honored for leading the National Cancer Institute-sponsored National Lung Screening Trial, NLST, in which low-dose CT screening was shown to reduce lung cancer mortality by 20% over chest radiographic screening. Congratulations and welcome. Charles Abrams, for launching an initiative to improve the lives of sickle cell patients worldwide, which led to a national clinical trials network, a program to improve access to care for U.S. patients, and a plan to enable newborn screening in Africa. Congratulations and welcome. Anthony Adamus, for co-discovering the key role of vascular endothelial growth factor, VEGP, in eye disease and obtaining FDA approval for the first anti-VEGF drug in ophthalmology, which now treats millions of people annually. Anthony joins us virtually today. Congratulations and welcome. Adora Idemora, For research on heterosexual HIV transmission among African Americans that has helped shift the HIV prevention field from its previous exclusive focus on individual behaviors to one that now recognizes the importance of social determinants in HIV transmission and the urgent need for structural interventions that change those determinants. Congratulations and welcome. Julia Adler-Milstein. For research on health information exchange, the impact of health IT on healthcare cost and quality, and the structure of healthcare teams, organizations, and markets. Julia joins us virtually today. Congratulations and welcome. Nita Hua, for changing our understanding of the cells of origin on multiple tumor types and the role of epigenetic dysregulation in gastrointestinal cancers, leading to the development of biomarkers for early detection of colorectal and pancreatic cancers and epigenetic therapeutics. Congratulations and welcome. C. David Ellis, for pioneering the epigenetics field and discovering covalent modifications of histone proteins and their critical roles in the regulation of gene expression and chromatin organization. David joins us virtually today. Congratulations and welcome. David G. Emerald, for discovering the fundamental principles of memory, emotion, social behavior, and brain plasticity, and also contributing seminal insights to our understanding of psychiatric disorders such as autism spectrum disorder. Congratulations and welcome. Vineet Arora, for pioneering work to optimize resident fatigue and patient safety during long shifts, which informed the Institute of Medicine's 2009 report and the Accreditation Council for Graduate Medical Education 2011 duty hours restrictions. Congratulations and welcome. Carol J. Baker, for her expertise in Group B streptococcal GBS epidemiology, pathogenesis, and prevention, and discovering the critical capsular component for conjugate vaccine development. Carol joins us virtually today. Congratulations and welcome. Colleen L. Berry, for leading scholarly work in the design and impact of policies on mental health and addiction, and showing how policies affect access to health care and social services, financing, and mortality for those with mental illness and addiction. Colleen joins us virtually today. Congratulations and welcome. Elaine E. Batchelor, for leadership in improving access and quality care for underserved communities as Chief Medical Officer for the nation's largest public health plan and as a driving force as founding CEO of the state-of-the-art Martin Luther King Jr. Community Hospital in a deeply underserved section of Los Angeles. Congratulations and welcome. Peter Bierman, for being one of two original designers of the influential adolescent health study and making critically important discoveries concerning the influence of social networks on sexually transmitted disease and the rise of autism diagnoses. Peter joins us virtually today. Congratulations and welcome. Sangeeta N. Bhatia, for pioneering small-scale technologies to interface cells with synthetic platforms with application in liver tissue regeneration, diagnostics, and cancer therapy, and developing human microlivers that model drug metabolism and liver disease, achieving novel, high-throughput models for diseases such as hepatitis C and human malaria. Sangeeta joins us virtually today. Congratulations and welcome. L. Ebony Bulware, for her thought leadership in community engagement and identifying patient, provider, and system-level barriers that cause disparate outcomes in minority patients with chronic kidney disease. Congratulations and welcome. Charles C. Brannis, for pioneering novel geographic science and place-based design to solve critical issues like gun violence and showing that removing urban blight reduces gun violence and improves mental health. Congratulations and welcome. Marina Cavazana, for revolutionizing the current treatment of severe inherited blood disorders and pioneering gene therapy clinical trials to cure rare immunodeficiencies based on her expertise on hematopoietic stem cells. Congratulations and welcome. David Sella, for his work in identifying and measuring what matters to people seeking health care that has paved the way for patient-centered care. Congratulations and welcome. Deborah L. Cohen, for shaping the field of mixed methods research, developing groundbreaking methods for evaluating and accelerating change, and incorporating useful technologies into practice, and being principal investigator of one of the largest AHRQ grants ever given. Evidence Now. Congratulations and welcome. Doreen Komanichu, for contributions to diagnostic imaging and image-guided therapy that have benefited numerous patients to receive better and faster diagnosis and treatment. Congratulations and welcome. Rui Costa, for discovering fundamental neural circuit mechanisms underlying self-paced action initiation and action learning and making important contributions to the understanding of action sequencing and automatization. Congratulations and welcome. Rebecca M. Cunningham, for leading research on youth injury risk behaviors and spearheading ED-based violence prevention programs for at-risk youth, including hospital and community-based violence prevention. Congratulations and welcome. Hongyi Dai, for bridging nanoscience and nanomaterials with biological and biomedical systems, and for work on carbon nanotube and graphene-based biosensors, fluorescence, Raman bioprobes, drug delivery, and photothermal-based therapy. Congratulations and welcome. James Dalton, for discovering a new class of drugs known as selective androgen receptor modulators, and with his team being first to report their crystal structure, which has led to innovative treatments for muscle wasting, cachexia, age-related frailty, sarcopenia, and hypogonadism. Congratulations and welcome. It's now my pleasure to invite the Vice Chairman of the NAM Council, Claire Brindis, to the podium.
Thank you so much, Michael. And it's so delightful to be here with all of you. As we stand with you, we remember our own memories of our day when we heard our names being spelled out and also shouted out. Beverly L. Davidson, for being on the forefront of developing innovative therapies and medicines for fatal inherited brain disorders, which are engineered to either remove toxic proteins or replace missing proteins, and for improving or preventing disease progression. Congratulations and welcome. Jan Demasiernier, for developing primary care training in sub-Saharan Africa and Bolivia. Congratulations and welcome. Alma de Graaf Akins, for research that contributed to the development of unique interdisciplinary models to address Africa's chronic non-communicable disease burden. A fist bump and a congratulations and a welcome to her. George Demiris Mercy, for groundbreaking research that has advanced our understanding and application of health informatics to improve the health of vulnerable populations and influence health policy. Congratulations and welcome. Raymond N. Dubois, for discovering the critical and mechanistic role of prostaglandins in colon cancer and in malignant progression, elucidating their role in the tumor microenvironment, and spearheading the now common use of drugs for human cancer prevention that target its pathway, like aspirin and other medications. Congratulations and welcome. James H. Eberwein, for pioneering work in the field of single-cell genomics that has revealed the complexities of human and mouse transcriptome variability. A fist bump for James and a congratulations and welcome. Elizabeth C. Angle, for seminal research that has defined a new category of developmental brain disorder of the human central nervous system, especially the brainstem and cranial nerves, manifesting as congenital ocular or facial dysmotility, and often accompanied by motor and cognitive dysfunction, as well as non-neurological birth defects. Congratulations and welcome. Deborah S. Estrin, for applying computer architecture and mobile sensing concepts to accelerate the design and demonstration of novel applications and analytics that leverage mobile devices and patient-generated data to accelerate data-driven personal health management, as well as inspired, created, and convened a rigorous multidisciplinary mHealth research community. Congratulations and welcome. Bart Fauser, for his unique insights as a clinician and basic scientist that have advanced women's health. We also give him a fist bump and a congratulations and warm welcome. Neil M. Ferguson, for major contributions that help our understanding of the epidemiology, evolution, and control of emerging infectious diseases, and to the statistical and mathematical methods required to analyze and understand new infectious disease outbreaks. One more fist bump and a congratulations and welcome. Betty R. Farrell, for her pioneering work in the fields of palliative and end-of-life care and developing and leading the End-of-Life Nursing Education Consortium, known as ELNEC, that has trainers in 99 countries and in every U.S. state, and has impacted the lives of patients and their family caregivers. Congratulations and welcome. Jorge E. Galan, for pioneering the study of the pathogenesis of Salmonella, the study of type 3 protein secretion systems, and catalyzing the birth of the field of cellular microbiology. And we are also giving a big fist bump and a congratulations and welcome. Tejal K. Gandhi, for leadership in the fields of patient safety and quality and wide-ranging influence in the field through thought, leadership, research, and educational efforts. Congratulations and welcome. George Fu Cao for his contributions to the study of pathogen infection, interspecies transmission, and pathogen-host interaction, and revealing the origin and mechanisms of important pathogens including avian influenza, MERS, Zika, and Ebola virus. And a fist bump as well as a congratulations and welcome. Sharon Garrick for seminal studies on the interactions between stem cells and their microenvironments, and for engineering artificial cell microenvironments capable of guiding vascular differentiation, delivery, and regeneration of tissues. Congratulations and welcome. Margaret A. Goodall for discovering fundamental principles underlying differentiation and self-renewal of stem cells, revealing how epigenetic regulation is required for differentiation and how the immune system coordinates regeneration in response to pathogens. Congratulations and welcome. Laura M. Gottlieb for rigorously testing, applying, and disseminating pragmatic methods for addressing social determinants of health in clinical settings. Let's give her a fist bump and a congratulations and welcome. Stephen A. Grubb for pioneering the development of entirely novel therapy for a variety of leukemias and leading the first global engineered cell therapy trial that demonstrated effective sustained remissions, making him a leader in cancer immunotherapy. One more fist bump and congratulations and welcome. Sanjay Gupta for helping the public understand the causes, impact, and management of myriad medical and public health challenges, and bridging the gap of healthcare knowledge by redefining our public discourse. Congratulations and welcome. J. Silvio Goodkind for contributions in the understanding of cancer signaling networks and pioneering their study in oral, head, and neck cancer progression, metastasis, and therapy resistance. Congratulations and welcome. Daphne A. Haas-Kogan for research in the study of genetic abnormalities of brain tumors, successfully translating laboratory discoveries to the treatment of cancer, which led a multitude of successful clinical trials that have helped shape targeted therapies for adult and pediatric malignancies. A fist bump and a congratulations and welcome. Julia A. Haller, for innovating translational advances against blindness in many different types of fronts, including sustained drug delivery services, ocular pharmacotherapy, retinal chip implants, gene therapy, telemedicine, and combating healthcare disparities. Congratulations and welcome. M. Elizabeth Halloran, for pioneering the development of statistical methods and modeling for evaluating vaccines in populations and contributions to evaluating direct and indirect effects of vaccines and improving design and analysis of vaccine studies. Congratulations and welcome. Diane Havler, for leadership positions in the World Health Organization and the International AIDS Society, challenging conventions to HIV treatment and prevention, and dedication to ending the epidemic. Not only do we want to congratulate her today with a fist bump, but she is at the christening of her grandchild. So we congratulate and welcome her. Deborah E. Howery, for leading the nation's largest public health institution focused on prevention of injuries, including overdoses, suicide, and violence, and highlighting the multiple harms associated with the opiate epidemic. Congratulations and welcome. And now I welcome my friend Carlos Del Rio.
Thank you, Claire. I want to extend my sincere congratulations to all of you in the class of 2019. You are the first, what I call, pandemic class. And the fact that we are here together today is in great part due to the success of science and public health, a battle in which many NAM members, including people in this class, played a critical role. And I say that because I'm starting with my friend Akiko Awasaki. Akiko is being recognized for major discoveries in the area of innate sensing of viruses and instruction of adaptive antiviral immunity, laying the foundation for key concepts in viral immunity and viral pathogenesis, and introducing innovative approaches to vaccine design. Akiko is not here today, but we send her a warm congratulations and welcome. Elizabeth M. Jaffe, for elucidating the complex interactions between T-cell subsets and cancer, and translating those findings into 2 generations of vaccine platforms to develop pancreatic cancer antigen and biomarker discovery approaches. Congratulations and welcome. S. Claiborne Johnston, for leadership in neurosciences and research in stroke prevention that has recognizably changed the practice of medicine, and launching a new medical school that is redefining the role of academic medicine in population health, care delivery, and research. Congratulations and welcome. Renu Kaushal, for leadership on the quality, safety, and personalization of healthcare, with expertise in patient safety, health information technology and exchange, and social determinant integration in health delivery. Rain was not being able to be here today, so we send her a warm congratulations and welcome. Craig Kent, for developing new imaging technologies and leadership in aneurysm screening and in the evaluation of vascular interventions for maximally to minimize invasivity that have saved countless lives. Congratulations and welcome. Adrian R. Craner, for his work in developing Neurocen, effectively curing otherwise fatal spinal muscular atrophy. Congratulations and welcome. Peter K. Lee, for advancing state-of-the-art artificial intelligence for precision medicine, including genomics, immunomics, and medical imaging, and in cloud technology for healthcare, including health data and interoperability, health delivery optimization, and population health. Congratulations and welcome. Richard S. Legros, for leading clinical trials which improve the reproductive outcomes of women with polycystic ovarian syndrome and reducing their cardiovascular risk. Congratulations and welcome. Michael J. Leonardo, for the discoveries of molecular mechanisms of immunological tolerance, seminal work, and program cell death, defining new inherited genetic diseases of immunity, and developing targeting therapies that have saved the lives of children suffering from certain of the otherwise devastating diseases. Congratulations and welcome. Ernest R. Lengel, for his leadership on the biology of ovarian cancer and research that has advanced knowledge of signaling in this tumor microenvironment. Congratulations and welcome. Scott Lowe, for pioneering the characterization of tumor suppressor genes networks and their involvement in carcinogenesis, therapeutic resistance, and cellular senescence. Congratulations and welcome. Carol Mangione, for pioneering the understanding of how systems-level interventions benefit design and cost sharing affect quality and outcomes for low-income persons with diabetes. Congratulations and welcome. Elaine R. Martis, for developing sequencing technologies for the Human Genome Project and identifying cancer mutations targeting by small molecular inhibitors. Elaine is not being able to be here today. Congratulations and welcome. Peter Margolis, for his leadership on large-scale health system innovation and transformation and creating a new form of collaborative learning health system that demonstrates improved outcomes for millions of children. Congratulations and welcome. Elaine Mira, for contributions in understanding how technological change and governmental policies affect health outcomes and inequity, and establishing how innovations in neonatal care affect inequality, and the health impact of policies such as black box warnings, health insurance, and state-level opioid restrictions. Elaine is not being able to be here with us today, so congratulations and welcome. David Mayers, for his thoughtful and executive leadership at the agency's essential research function and early and innovative direction on patient safety and practice transformation research portfolios that has shaped national thinking and guided over $1 billion in research and demonstration efforts at AHRQ. David is not being able to be today with us. Congratulations and welcome. Guo Li Ming, for pioneering the use of patient-derived human stem cells to model genetic and environmental risk factors for the brain disorders, which has transformed our understanding of underlying mechanisms and potential therapeutic strategies. Congratulations and welcome. Paul S. Miles, for his design and leadership in international multi-center studies and creating several patient-centered outcome metrics that inform study design and clinical decision-making in surgery. Paul is not being able to be with us today. Congratulations and welcome. Kathleen M. Newsel, for leadership in vaccine science, policy, and introduction of pivotal research on influenza and that has informed U.S. policy, and her work on rotavirus, HPV, and Japanese encephalitis vaccines in developing countries that inform vaccine policy recommendations and catalyze introductions globally. Dr. Newsel is not being able to be with us today. Congratulations and welcome. Craig D. Newgard, for leadership in health systems research using big data and addressing real-world issues in emergency medicine services, trauma care, and effective emergency care delivery across broad populations. Congratulations and welcome. Luigi D. Notarangelo, for making seminal discoveries in the characterization of the molecular and cellular basis of several forms of primary immune deficiencies, and for his leadership role in the creation of networks of centers that care for patients with these disorders, aiming to improve diagnosis and treatment. Congratulations and welcome. Gabriel Nunez, for leadership in the field of innate immunity and identifying NOD-like receptors and the link between NOD2 and Crohn's disease. Congratulations and welcome. Andrea Nusenzweig, for making seminal discoveries that speak to how cell maintains their own genome stability, allowing chromosome fragility and licensing leukogenesis in the hands of aberrant DNA repair. Congratulations and welcome. Chris Polchewski, for elucidating the three-dimensional structure of the G-protein coupled receptor rhodopsin, demonstrating the structure and function of rhodopsin kinase and other critical visual cycle proteins, defining the biochemistry of cycle GMP metabolism in photoreceptors, developing two-photon imaging for the retina and retinal pigment epithelium, and pioneering therapeutics for inherited retinopathies. Congratulations and welcome. Julia Parsonet, for elucidating how infectious agents cause chronic disease and research on H. pylori's role in malignancy and in modulating host immunity that are widely cited in the field of gastric cancer. Congratulations and welcome. Now I would like to invite my colleague, Dr. Elena Fuentes-Affleck, to continue the reading of names.
Good afternoon. I'm honored to introduce the final quarter of our new members, beginning with Jonathan A. Patz, for pioneering the development of technology to fingerprint the public health consequences of global climate change and being a lead author of the reports published by the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the organization that shared the 2007 Nobel Prize with Vice President Gore. Congratulations and welcome. Rafael Pérez Escamilla, for being a world authority on community-based maternal, infant, and young child feeding programs and assessment of food security, and international recognition for his research on peer counseling programs to support breastfeeding. Congratulations and welcome. Susan E. Quagan, for enhancing our understanding of common glomerular diseases, inspiring the development of promising therapeutics, and making groundbreaking discoveries regarding blood vessels, lymphatics, and specialized hybrid circulations, which have significantly advanced multiple fields. Congratulations and welcome. Scott L. Rauch, for elucidating the neurocircuitry of anxiety disorders, including PTSD and obsessive-compulsive disorder, which has been instrumental in the development of novel treatments. We offer him virtual congratulations and welcome. Stuart W. Reed, for contributions to numerous scientific committees and scholarship which has set new standards for responses to emerging epidemics. We also offer virtual congratulations and welcome. John A. Rogers, for pioneering basic and translational research on novel forms of electronics which are capable of minimally invasive integration with the human body as clinical-grade wearable technologies, advanced surgical devices, bioresorbable implants, and discovery tools for biomedical research, with applications in cardiology, neurology, neonatology, dermatology, and rehabilitation. We offer virtual congratulations and welcome. Anil K. Rustigi, for illuminating the importance of GI cancer genomics and genetics and demonstrating that P120 catenin is a tumor suppressor gene, and reporting the first link between P120 and mesenchymal epithelial transition in tumor metastasis, which advanced therapeutic opportunities. We offer virtual congratulations and welcome. David G. Schatz, for transforming the field of immunology by generating VDJ recombination in non-lymphoid cells via DNA transfection, and, on that basis, co-discovering recombination proteins. Congratulations and welcome. Dori L. Segev, for pioneering kidney exchange and HIV to HIV transplantation, from the phase of initiation research to congressional bill to implementation and national clinical impact, and for changing the landscape of understanding transplant risk prediction through novel approaches to big data. We offer virtual congratulations and welcome. Julie Segre, for pioneering whole genome sequencing to track the transmission of antibiotic-resistant, gram-negative bacteria in the midst of a deadly hospital outbreak. Congratulations and welcome. Nenad Seston, for pioneering contributions to molecular studies of the developing human brain, which have provided an essential foundation for studies of a range of neurological and psychiatric conditions, yielding critical insights into the biology of autism spectrum disorder and schizophrenia. We offer virtual congratulations and welcome. Peter Slavin, for being an influential voice for academic medical centers in the changing healthcare landscape, a focus on systems innovation to improve quality and value, and the inclusion of community health and diversity as inextricable components of the academic mission. Congratulations and welcome. Benjamin D. Summers, for his health policy expertise on Medicaid and the healthcare safety net, and for research and policy advocacy, which have influenced the implementation and debate on the future of the Affordable Care Act. Congratulations and welcome. Beth Stevens, for redefining our understanding of brain wiring during early life and shedding new light on how the nervous and immune systems interact in the brain in health and disease. Congratulations and welcome. Jacqueline Y. Taylor, for bench to community research in gene-environment interaction studies on blood pressure among African Americans, which has provided novel contributions on the social determinants of health and the omic underpinnings of hypertension. Congratulations and welcome. Mehmet Toner, for creating microfluidic devices with real-life clinical applications in cancer diagnosis, prenatal diagnosis, regenerative medicine, and tissue engineering. We offer virtual congratulations and welcome. Peter A. Ubel, for research on the psychology of healthcare decision-making, which has revealed the unconscious and irrational forces that influence choices made by patients and physicians. We offer virtual congratulations and welcome. Nicholas Wald, for research which provided the scientific rationale for folic acid flour fortification to prevent spina bifida and anencephaly, for effective prenatal screening of spina bifida and Down syndrome, and for prohibiting smoking in public places. Congratulations and welcome. John E. Wong, for innovation in healthcare delivery, administration, policy, and public health, and achievements in advancing cancer medicine in Singapore, incorporating scientific and technologic innovations as pillars of Singapore's research strategy, and implementing innovative models of care in academic health systems to improve population health globally. Congratulations and welcome. Catherine S. Woolley, for pioneering research which demonstrated estrogen-driven plasticity of neural circuitry and sex-dependent molecular signaling in brain areas related to cognition, epilepsy, and affective disorders. Congratulations and welcome. Catherine J. Wu, for pioneering the design and implementation of personalized, genomics-guided cancer immunotherapy, which focused on vaccination strategies to address the challenges of cancer heterogeneity and evolution. Congratulations and welcome. Joseph C. Wu, for seminal contributions and pioneering breakthroughs in the areas of cardiovascular medicine and imaging. Congratulations and welcome. Christine Yaffe, for pioneering work in the epidemiology of dementia and leadership in identifying modifiable risk factors which transformed the field of cognitive aging and revolutionized our concept of dementia prevention. A special note that Dr. Yaffe is Dr. Segre's sister. We offer her virtual congratulations and welcome. Rachel Yehuda, for identifying a unique neurobiology of PTSD by demonstrating a novel mechanism, enhanced glucocorticoid receptor sensitivity, and providing a roadmap for understanding response variation following trauma exposure, including risk and resilience factors, molecular and epigenetic contributions to PTSD pathophysiology and treatment. We offer virtual congratulations and welcome. And finally, Richard A. Young, for fundamental insights into gene control in human health and disease, invention of widely used new technologies, and the development of novel therapeutics for cancer. We offer virtual congratulations and welcome. Please join in a round of applause for all of our 2019 inductees.
What an impressive group. Another round of applause. Well, as we said, welcome, but we're going to put you to work because we truly believe our membership is not honorific only, it's actually service as well. I've made this point many times that we elect people for their distinction, but for their passion to make a difference. So we'll be calling on many of you in working with us. As you know, most of our work are done through our members and our volunteers in creating the reports, the convening, the many implementations that we look at every day. So thank you very much indeed. So this evening, we'll continue our celebration with you and your families at a dinner. And for both two classes, 2019 and 2020, that we'll be inducting this afternoon. It starts at 7 p.m. An interim, arrange a beautiful day for you. Take advantage of it. Enjoy DC. It's going to be wonderful to have you here spending the rest of the weekend with us. Now, for those who are here tomorrow, we will begin bright and early with interest group meetings. And interest groups are interesting, literally, because it's really member-driven. You create a topic that you like, you get together with your peers and really discuss them. For example, I think we have at least 3 groups that's going to talk about the implication of Roe v. Wade overturn. What does that mean to reproductive women's health? How can we really do the right things in order to enhance the health of the women and the physicians who serve them? We have a session on firearm violence, which of course is so important, and many, many other issues. So then for the members, we have a membership business meeting held in the morning, followed by awards presentation, and of course, that night, a belated 50th gala. I hope all of you are ready, who have your dancing shoes on. I went to look at the building museum, which is huge. We have 650 people registered for tomorrow. And I said, the dance floor is not big enough, so I have them expanded twice the size to give you social distancing for dancing. In fact, we're going to start with 4 former U.S. presidents who are serving as honorary co-chairs of our gala, who will send us great messages. Then we have the new science advisor to President Biden and director of OSTP, who actually come in person and provide a great message from her and President Biden. Then we have the president of the European Commission and the WHO Director General, who also give us great greetings. So it's going to be a great meeting. Great dinner, not meeting. We're having fun. So I hope many of you will be there. And of course, Monday is our annual scientific meeting, which is a great topic about revolutionizing the biomedical enterprise. Hope many will be there. Now, for the new members, you'll be introduced to our entire membership on Monday. So be there. I think they'd love to meet you and, of course, welcome you to the family, although many of you have been part of the family since 2019. Nevertheless. And so we have great, fantastic speakers. So new members, welcome to the family. Well, maybe not so new. 2019 members, welcome to the family. And, of course, I'd love to see all your loved ones, family here. We'll see you tonight at dinner, and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you.